In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to refund private servers in Roblox in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, I'm going to do this through the Roblox player itself, but you may also attempt this through the Roblox website on your favorite web browser. First, find a game where you have a private server that you want to try to refund. I know I have a private server on Newbie Tycoon, so I'm going to open up the details about the game. As usual, to see our servers within any experience or any game, all we have to do is open up the details and scroll down until we see the Servers tab. Click Servers and the first option should display Private Servers. These are all the servers we own within a said experience or game. All we have to do is click the three dots next to the top right corner of this tab and select Configure. As we can see, we have options like changing the name, which experience we are on, the subscription price, friends allowed, and we also have allow joining. Nowhere to be seen, however, is the option to refund a private server. We can't also delete it. The only way to hide a server from public is to disable the allow joining, so all we have to do is stick allow joining and disable it. This is because, as of 2022, there is no way to get a refund for a private server in Roblox. Once you paid for a private server, you can't do anything about it besides disabling the joining of other people in order to deactivate it. You can't refund it nor delete it. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to refund a private server. I hope this alternative method I taught you about deactivating a server helped you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.